If you're experiencing FPS drops in Valorant, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Valorant and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality settings, such as texture quality and shadow quality. Reducing these settings can help increase FPS by easing the load on your system. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Go to your Windows settings and adjust for best performance. Right-click on this PC, select Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, select Settings and choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS. Use Task Manager to identify and close resource-heavy programs. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Monitor your system's hardware performance using tools like Task Manager or MSI Afterburner. Ensure your CPU and GPU are not overheating and that your system meets the game's minimum requirements. Consider upgrading hardware if performance issues persist. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Valorant. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.